Welcome back to the Weather Center. Once again, we didn't see much thunderstorm activity this Friday across the western, central and southern parts of the country, but we are still seeing quite a lot of cloud blanketing the northeastern areas, and that is coming from the ever-weakening tropical depression, which is now sitting over eastern Botswana and is slowly trekking towards the western parts of that country. Now, this system is going to continue to affect northeastern South Africa tonight as we head into Saturday, producing rain and thunderstorms, particularly over much of Limpopo, parts of Mpumalanga, Gauteng, and the easternmost sections of the Northwest Province. So on Saturday, you can expect thundershowers across much of South Africa. The storms are going to start early over the eastern parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, extending into the northern areas of the Limpopo province. Then for the rest of the day, isolated thundershowers are forecast over northeastern South Africa, but we are going to see scattered thunderstorms across much of the Eastern Cape. This cold front here is going to introduce light rain in the evening into parts of the south coast. It's going to be mostly sunny for the easternmost parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Now, we have a warning in place for heavy rains that could lead to localized flooding in places over the eastern parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. We are expecting light to moderate winds for your Saturday across much of the interior. It's going to be pretty breezy along the KwaZulu-Natal and Eastern Cape coastal areas. Moderate southwesterlies are forecast for the Cape Peninsula. KwaZulu-Natal is going to see isolated thundershowers on Saturday over the western and southern sections, mostly sunny for the eastern areas. Durban warming to around 33 degrees, the same for Port Shepstone. Very unsettled weather is forecast across much of the Eastern Cape, where temperatures in the mid to upper 30s are forecast across much of the interior. Highs around 30 for East London and Port Alfred. Slightly cooler as we go towards Port Elizabeth. Light rain is forecast for the south coast of the Western Cape, but isolated thundershowers can be expected over the southern interior. We are also going to see light rain between Hermanus and Bredasdorp. Cape Town, partly cloudy with a high of around 27 degrees. In the Northern Cape, we are going to see isolated thundershowers across much of the province. A high of 37 is forecast for Upington. We stay with isolated thundershowers across the Free State, Bloemfontein and Forest Smith, making it to around 30 degrees on Saturday afternoon. Passing showers are also forecast across the northwest. Temperatures here are going to be cooler compared to what we've been seeing lately, lying mostly in the mid to upper 20s. We are also going to have similar temperatures across the Limpopo province, where isolated thundershowers are forecast in most areas. Similar weather is forecast across Mpumalanga. A high of 27 is expected around Mbombela. We stay with isolated thundershowers in Gauteng. A high of 27 is expected around Johannesburg. Then on Sunday, it's going to be pretty unsettled across much of the interior. Cape Town, mostly sunny with a high of 26. Sunny skies continue in Cape Town on Monday, and it's going to stay stormy for the rest of South Africa.